Hey everybody, today we're in a Toyota Prius. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 855969. And before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering here. Now you want to peel that cover off before you attach the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second, always make sure you install the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything to the face. So with that, we'll get started. Now this mount is going to go in a very specific place. So the first thing we're going to want to do is kind of line up the right-hand edge of the mount with the center of the volume knob. Just kind of line those two up like that. And that's going to give you a clue down here where our lower lip's going to go. So we're going to line that up. And then you want to insert that lower lip right in here where this like red accent is. It's just going to go in there as far as you can get it. Push that in. All right. Now, you want to keep your hands on it because you don't want to let it pop out. Our next step is going to be putting our thumbs on the face, and then we're going to put our index fingers underneath this trim piece of the Prius, and we actually want to gently lift this up. At the same time, we're going to be pushing down and forward on the mount to get the upper lip underneath here. There we go. Now it's in place. You have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.